Hello, Unique family. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my Avon. Hello, and if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Patrice. Here at Unique Avon, I love doing stuff with Avon products, which include unboxings, tips, tricks, so much more, including unboxings, what's new, tons of stuff. Pretty soon I will be having a plus size, you heard me, plus size clothing haul from Avon. It's a lot of stuff I've been gathering and making sure I have, because this summer I'm gonna show you everything I'm putting into my summer vacay bag. Me and my bestie are planning on going out for a couple of days. I think she said we're gonna have a girls trip, and I bought a lot of stuff and I want to show you. And stuff I've been accumulating. So you've seen a couple of my things, like, of course, this shirt right here. You've seen a couple of the items that I picked up along the way, but I am going to do a beautiful plus-size clothing haul with everything I've ordered from Avon, including some jewelry, some clothes, you know, if you've been here a lot, you already know how it works. So today I'm going to be unboxing my beautiful A-Box, and you know how much I love our A-Boxes. So let's get started. Yes, y'all love the sound. All right, let's see what this beauty looks like. Okay, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. So let's put our beautiful box away. Now, if you get Avon A-Boxes, don't forget to let me know down in the description box below. Our Avon A-Boxes are basically my subscription boxes. So there's a lot of my Unique Squad sisters that subscribe to different subscription boxes, but this beauty is all mine. And you can always get a beautiful A-Box curated every campaign or every other campaign for the price of $10 when you meet your $40 limit. So when you spend $40, you have a chance to get a beautiful A-Box for just $10. So let me open this. I love these boxes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, can y'all see it? Yes. Oh, I see some nice stuff in here. So let's get started on this. Ooh, that's nice to have. Here is a Scrunchie hair band. It goes like this. This is a daily beauty tool scrunchie band. Oh, cool. It says use when cleaning your face or showering for hair-free hair ties. So that'll be cool. So I can use it on my self-care Sundays. I love putting on skincare products. I can use it to roll my hair back and everything. So it looks nice and beautiful. Yes, yes, score. The next thing I see here is a tone-up primer. This is tone-up primer. This is Avon in the Face Shop. And this is a Lumiere. This is a Lumiere. Now, if you have been around for a while, the last A-Box I unboxed, let me find it. The last Avon A-Box I unboxed, oh, right here, was the pink one. Was the pink one by the Face Shop. So I have a pink now, and I have a Lumiere one, which is also, where is she? My mind, there it is. It's basically the mini to this. So this is its mini. So I'm actually going to keep this and give it away. So I'm actually thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm strongly thinking about it. And I think I'm just going to put this into my giveaway pile. So when we do the giveaway, I'll let you know. Then I have the Glimmershadow Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is Pink Topaz. Ooh. And this is by Avon. Let's see. This is a high-impact liquid eyeshadow. Puts your eyes in the spotlight with sparkling color that lasts all day. It's water-resistant, crease-proof, smudge-proof, and enhanced with vitamin E for a range of buildable, blendable looks. Cool. Oh, wow. Look at her. That's what she looks like. And this is Pink Topaz. It's a Glimmershadow. So pretty. It's really pretty. It might be on one of my looks really soon. We'll see. We'll see. So far, out of this box, let's see two things I like. The next thing here is, y'all know how much I love my mascara, but this is a full-size bottle of the Avon Wash Off waterproof mascara. So not only is it waterproof, you could easily just wipe it away. This is fun. Yes. Never lend or borrow mascara. Never add water or saliva. Why'd they have to put that on the mascara? Who is licking their mascara, people? Who is licking their mascara? Like, come on. I love this. I've never tried this one before. Y'all know I love the first Lash, my first love Lash mascara. I love that mascara. So it'll be fun to try a new mascara. It'll be really cool. And the last thing in here is another full-size product. This is an Avon True Glimmerstick Waterproof Eyeliner. And this is in the color Blackest Night. And for all you beauty queens who love your Blackest and Black liner, this is another Blackest Night. So it doesn't look as dark, but I will give this a try. And it's a Glimmerstick. So yay, I got another eyeliner. So in this box this month, we have a Glimmerstick eyeliner, and this is the color Blackest Night. The Tone Up primer, and this is the Lumiere one. We have the Avon Glimmershadow liquid eyeshadow. This is the color Pink Topaz. And we also got this beautiful hair scrunchie. And last but not least, we cannot forget about that wash off waterproof mascara. And I am really excited about this. This was a really good A-box. I never tried this before. The wash off waterproof mascara. I've never tried it. And I've never tried the Blackest Night liner. So I'm really excited to see how that will work on my skin. If it glides just like all the rest of the Glimmersticks, I know I'm absolutely going to love it. So I don't have to worry about that. So what did you think about this A-box this month? What did you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you get our A-boxes, let me know. Let me know if you get our A-boxes down in the comments down below. And look for a giveaway coming soon, because I think it's about time for another giveaway. So as you know, we always like to put the slideshow in the back so you can take a closer look at what's in each and every A-box, each and every campaign. So without further ado, here's a slideshow to show you what was included and a closer look at what was included in our A-box for this month. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, be happy, be kind, always be courageous. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,